12, and today in Hua School there's an event, business fair and science fair. And so today I will be interviewing some of the people participating in this business and science fair.
As you can see here, there are a lot of business stands, and the science one are upstairs in the hall. Some of them really catch my eyes because they're very interesting.
This event where students get to showcase and sell their products. It is an opportunity for them to learn entrepreneurship, marketing, and how a small business actually works. Can you introduce yourself and your business?
Hello, my name is Tania and my name is Cindy.
So, who is your target market for the product that you're selling?
Our target market is teenagers and food makers.
Okay. What makes your product unique compared to others?
Because this was a rare product, so no one has ever sold it in Pulau.
When do you start marketing your product?
I think last month.
Where did you do your promotion?
We do our promotion on our Instagram.
Why do you think people would want to buy your product?
I think people will buy it because it has a unique taste of dessert.
How did you solve problems when you ran into while making this business?
We try to discuss it together, or we try to discuss it with our teacher.
Okay, thank you. You introduce yourself and your business.
Today our project is the medicine
Okay, so who is your target market for the product that you're selling?
I think that everyone, like household, students, have our product for everyone.
Okay, what makes your product unique compared to others?
Our product is unique because we use raw material from like cooking ingredients. For lemon, cinnamon,
Okay.
it's available as material.
When did you first come up with this idea?
We first came up with this idea because our group likes when a room smells good, so we come up with make control oil like that.
Okay. Where do you get your ideas or inspiration for your product?
We got it online and from ourselves.
Okay. Why do you think people would like your product?
I think people would like our product because it smells really good and it makes the mood for the pipe better.
Okay. How much money did you raise to make this product?
It's around 400,000.
Okay. 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 Thank you so much. Hi. Can you introduce yourself and your business?
Ya, nama aku Jasmine Pranata, aku dari kelas 10S. Nama tim kita itu Konsta.
What makes your product unique compared to others?
Yang unik dari produk kita itu, kita tuh bikin cilok tapi dengan barang, jadi kita bisa mengeluarkan imajinasi kita dari makanan tersebut.
Who is your target market for the products that you're selling?
Target kita anak-anak tua, terus ya tamu-tamu yang bakal datang.
When do you start marketing the product?
Kita mulai promosi itu dari 1 minggu yang lalu.
Okay. Where do you get the idea for the product?
Kita dapat ide ini tuh dari video TikTok.
Why do you think people would want to buy the product?
Karena produk kita tuh unik, terus kita juga ngasih freebies. Nah, freebiesnya tuh kayak bisa gitu.
How do you market your product?
Kita mempromosiin di IG, kita bikin video-video IG, terus di edit di JJ gitu.
Thank you. Can you introduce yourself and your business?
My name is Sonia and
Okay. Who is your target market for the product you're selling?
Anak-anak di gua atau anak-anak yang sekitaran SMP sampai SMA bahkan SD.
What inspired you to make this business idea?
Boots for smoothies and canai in India.
When do you start marketing your product?
1 month ago.
Where do you get your ideas for this product?
From Boots and from India.
Why do you think people would want to buy your product?
Because our product is many topping.
Ini sudah menunya?
China is very friendly for our
How do you market your product?
in Instagram and tell to student or teacher.
Okay, thank you. Hi, can you briefly introduce yourself and your innovation?
Hello, my name is Tiffany and my innovation is Hard.
Who helped you with your research?
Cleo, Heidi, Ping Ping, and Iris.
Okay. What did you learn while making this innovation?
Go-kart itu kita harus beli spare partnya dulu, baru mulai framing.
When did you start your project and how long did it take?
Desember kita mulai pesen bahan sama buka PO.
Okay. Where did you get the idea for this project?
From Heidi.
Okay. Why did you choose this topic for your project?
Because it's Heidi dreams.
Okay. How do you think your project could be improved?
Pedal dipasang di depan sama dipendekin nanti.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, can you introduce yourself and your project?
Mara and our product is Awada Sariga.
Okay. Who helped you with your research?
Shirley's mom helped with our research.
Okay. What is your innovation?
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Okay. When did you start doing this project and how long did it take to complete?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Where did you get the idea for your project?
We get the idea from
Why did you choose this topic for your project?
because it seems fun to make the model of the motorcycle.
Okay. How do you think your project could be improved?
I think we could improve by not having a big right now.
Okay. Thank you. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Leona from Mancona.
Okay. What do you think about this business fair and science fair?
I think this business fair is good enough. Yeah.
Okay. Which stand do you think is the most interesting?
I think the most interesting is protein chip because it is already viral on
Okay.
social media.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Can you introduce yourself?
Aku dari primary.
Okay. What do you think about this business and science fair?
Menurut Miss sangat interesting karena ternyata anak-anak gua tuh kreatif banget dan inovatif.
Okay. Which stand do you think is the most interesting?
Kalau yang dari science fair itu yang bikin plastik dari kulit jeruk, karena itu kayak sustainable banget. Terus sekarang kan lagi zaman masalah plastik ya, itu kayak bagus kalau diterusin. Terus kalau dari bisnis fair itu yang bikin ikat rambut dari bunga-bunga yang riset itu kayak juga kreatif banget sih, kayak mendaur ulang sampah tapi buat sesuatu yang lebih bermanfaat.
Thank you, May.
Sama-sama.
Sir, what do you think about this business and science fair so far?
Sejauh ini berpikir cukup bagus ya. Kalau dilihat dari stand-standnya mereka ya cukup bersemangat untuk menjalankan hidupnya mereka masing-masing. Kalau bisnis fair kan mereka berdagang, jadi ya mereka harus ada yang masak dulu, mungkin ada yang pesen dari rumah, kemudian yang udah PO mereka harus nyiapin makanannya, kemudian diantar dan sebagainya. Untuk science fair juga lukisan cukup bagus ya. Untuk kelas yang kelas 10, kelas 8 juga kelihatannya bagus. Makassar juga beberapa kali keliling-keliling yang berkesan. Untuk science fair itu yang parfum punya Zeva, dan untuk yang business fair yang cukup menarik itu punya Suen mie nyambi, mungkin karena namanya yang cukup unik ya, mie cak Suen. Kemudian ada Pro Chips karena beberapa kali Mister tonton di TikTok ada jajanan mirip seperti itu, Pro Chips, mungkin mereka adaptasi terinspirasi dari video tersebut.
Thank you, Mr. Here's Business Fair is a very fun experience, and I'm able to see many business stands with new ideas. And the science fair is also very interesting. The whole vibe here is very lively and very fun. There are many kids from other school attending as well. Anyways, it was a very fun experience, and it is better than last year. And lastly, I want to thank everyone arranging this event. And thank you to all the committees, to all the teachers, and to all the attendees. That's all for my video. Thank you.